What you're looking at is the Trend Volume Accumulations indicator developed by LuxAlgo. It's a custom volume analysis tool that breaks down directional momentum by measuring how volume behaves during rising and declining price movements. The chart is divided into 4 accumulation columns: rising bull, rising bear, declining bull, and declining bear. These aren't standard volume bars. Instead, they're weighted by linearity and adjusted for changes in volume over time. What this gives you is a way to track whether momentum is building or fading in a particular direction, either through accumulation or exhaustion. When prices are climbing and bullish momentum is present, the rising bull volume builds. But if price rises while underlying volume softens, you may see a divergence in the rising bear bar, suggesting the move may be losing strength. The same applies in reverse for declining phases. A strong drop with heavy volume shows up in declining bear. But if bulls are buying into the weakness, you'll see it reflected in the declining bull accumulation. The logic driving this comes from the difference between a weighted and simple moving average of price, used to determine slope, and a smoothed calculation of volume, increases or decreases. Accumulation is computed over time and normalized against the number of bars, giving a scalable way to measure how each phase contributes to the trend. One notable feature is the gradient option, which visually emphasizes accumulation strength through varying color intensity. Stronger accumulations appear vividly, providing instant visual confirmation of market conviction, while weaker signals fade in intensity, helping traders swiftly differentiate high-confidence moves from uncertain ones. What makes this tool particularly useful is its ability to act as a confirmation layer. When trend direction and volume accumulation are in agreement, the move is more likely to sustain. When they diverge, caution is warranted. Despite its strengths, the Trend Volume Accumulations indicator is not infallible. One limitation is its potential lag in fast-moving markets, as it relies heavily on historical averages. Furthermore, interpreting subtle divergences requires experience and careful consideration, as they can sometimes lead to premature assumptions about trend reversals. For optimal results, pair LuxAlgo's Trend Volume Accumulations indicator with additional technical tools such as the Relative Strength Index, moving averages, or Fibonacci retracements. Combining it with the RSI can help verify overbought or oversold conditions, while moving averages provide clear trend-following signals. Incorporating Fibonacci levels adds precise price targets and critical levels to your analysis, further enhancing decision-making confidence. By integrating volume accumulation data into your broader technical framework, you gain a comprehensive understanding of market dynamics, significantly improving your trading accuracy.